Okay, what we have here for sale is a 1970 Honda 175 K-2 with a clean title. This thing is sweet. I love the thing. I've had it for, man, I've had this thing for 20 years at least. I probably put about 2,000 miles on it. It's got 10,631, and I haven't started it yet this morning. It's got a brand new fresh battery. Oil's always been great, you know. I've always taken care of this thing. Let's take a look under the seat. It's got that strap. It's got a brand new battery. It's got the little wiggle arm. Everybody seems to lose. And let's see what went down here. Pretty darn clean. Aftermarket parts. It's got brand new freaking pipes on the bottom. Well, they're not brand new, but they're not ratted out. And it even has the tool kit with all the tools, including the points gapper. Everything seems to run. All right, let's get this thing started. Again, I haven't started it this morning, so I'm gonna choker it and turn the key on and give it a go.